When you're selling your home, you might think buyers are evaluating raw data, square footage, storage space, kitchen layout, and they are. But here's what actually makes them write an offer: how your home made them feel. Buyers may be walking through multiple homes in a single day. They won't remember every floor plan or which home had the powder room. They will remember the home that made them feel good to be there, and that might be the edge you need to beat a home with a bigger pantry. Here are 4 things to do to design for that feeling. 1. Form and function. Every architect designs with intention. Rooms were built for a purpose, and when you use them that way, the home just feels right. When you don't, something feels off, even if a buyer can't put their finger on it. A dining room turned makeshift office is quite common. And I get it. Life happens. But when a buyer walks in and sees a desk where a dining table should be, there's a disconnect. They may not say, "This feels disjointed," but they are feeling it. Yes, even if they do it in their own homes. Restore rooms to their original purpose before you list, and you remove that friction before a buyer ever notices it. 2. Scale, proportion, and flow. Furniture size matters more than most people realize. Furniture that's too large makes a room feel smaller and cramped. Furniture that's too small makes the home feel cheap. Right-sized furniture feels connected to the home, cohesive. I've seen even small homes feel upscale because the furniture size was perfect for the space. Related to furniture is its placement. Flow is the one buyers will almost never verbalize, but they feel it instantly. If they have to walk around a chair, squeeze past a sofa, or hesitate at a doorway, the home feels off. Nobody stops and thinks, the traffic pattern in this room is inefficient. They just feel a low-level discomfort they can't explain. Clear the pathways. Let people move through your home the way it was meant to be moved through. 3. Light and lamps. Natural light is the most powerful design element in any home. You already know to clean your windows and pull back curtains. Place mirrors opposite windows to bounce light deeper into the room. These are small moves that make a space feel bigger, warmer, and more alive. Layered interior lighting changes everything. Table lamps, wall sconces, a floor lamp beside a cozy reading chair. Overhead lighting is flat. It's functional, not emotional, but warm light at different heights creates pools of comfort that gently invites the eye around a room to their various vignettes. No buyer is going to say, "I love your lighting plan." They're going to say, "This room just feels really nice." That's the goal. Turn every lamp on for every showing, by the way. Every single one. Even in the daytime. Light is life. 4. Color, contrast, and balance. Pure neutrality is safe, but safe doesn't sell. A home that's beige or gray from floor to ceiling feels blank. What feels good is contrast. Hard materials mixed with soft fabrics. A concrete or wood coffee table against a soft linen sofa. A dark accent wall behind light furniture that makes both elements pop. Too many straight lines and a room feels rigid and cold. Too many curves and it feels soft and undefined. Mix both and suddenly the room feels balanced without anyone knowing exactly why. Give buyers something to emotionally connect and respond to. Not a distraction, but a moment. A room that has contrast has character, and character is memorable. Every one of these elements comes back to the same thing: feeling. Buyers make emotional decisions and justify them logically. Your job as a seller is to make sure the emotion your home creates is a good one. If you're getting ready to list and you want to know what your home needs before it hits the market, reach out to us at listingsfor1.com.